Welcome back, Filmaholics. My name is Kyle Kenrick, and in this channel you find anything and everything filmmaking. So if you guys want more of that, consider subscribing. But until then, let's get on with today's video. In today's video, we're gonna be reviewing this light, the Neewer RGB150 LED light. That's a lot of letters. blah, blah, blah. But let's get on with that. Let's start off with the unboxing. Here we go. Today we got this new light. This was the packaging that came in the box. So we'll see what this looks like after I unwrap it somehow. Where is it? Okay, cool. I could get my knife, but honestly, no. Son of a... Okay, we're almost there. There we go. Okay. So this is the Neewer RGB150. It's a metal LED video light. It's pretty small, and the box is just this. Then nothing there, nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. All the there's a QR code, and then all the information for the light is gonna be right over here. But let's just unbox it. We'll talk about all this stuff in a little bit. So let's just break through the plastic. There we go. Sorry, so much trash on the thing now. Let's just get that out of the way. And there we go. God, Neewer packages stuff easier. Ooh, actually, never mind. I like this. It's not foam. It's like a cardboard, like a fancier cardboard. Gum. Don't actually eat these. And the light itself. Ooh, that feels like actual good metal too. Wow. I like that. Type-C cable right down here. This thing is a twisty, knobby thing, so you can kind of mount it on almost anything that has a thread. What else does it have? Oh, it's actually also a hot shoe mount right over here. Ooh. Guessing this is functions, so it's a clicky one, so it doesn't turn independently. You just kind of click. Click. There's a button there too. Set. I'm guessing this is the dimmable one. It's also clicky. Another button there. LCD screen right over here. What else? Here's a closer look of everything. And I'm guessing this is the on switch. Ooh. I'm kind of gonna have it right here so you can see the LCD screen, hopefully. Right here has all this information where there's battery life, the color temp. Wonder what this says. Nope. Oh, you can change the dimmable stuff. So this is 60% now, and that's 100. Oh god, yeah, that's 100. And I'm guessing you can also go by increments of 1. Yes, you can. Then here we go. Start off. So you can go in increments 1 as well. Let's just run through them. There's the 350, 360 colors of light. What other functions are there? Saturation, these are, I guess, effects. Just goes to ABC there. This one is to look like a monitor. This is to cycle around. I'm guessing it's different speeds each time. And this one's just flashy. And let's put it back to this. Color temperature, you can go from 25K to 85K. Well, technically 2500, 8500, but I'm just saying the K because of the K. Yeah, right there. But also it has a couple other things over here. Battery life is right over here. It's 3200 milliamps, and I'm trying to figure out if there's anything else that you could do with the clicky stuff. So if we just put it back to the other lights I have, which is gonna be around here, and click this, see what happens here. Still running through the effects. But yeah, it's pretty much as simple as that. Let me just turn this baby off. It's just a switch like this. But that's the light. So let's go back into the studio. Before we get started on the specs of the light, let's talk about what the box comes with. It comes with a couple things. So first off, we're gonna go with a Type-C cable. That's pretty nifty. I love Type-C cables. Did you know Europe just said that they are gonna make every phone, including iPhones probably, a Type-C cable charger. So no more lightning cables for them, lucky them. But yes, the Type-C cable is included with it, and then a tiny little Allen wrench. I don't know if you can even see that. Yeah. After that, little tiny ball head instead of a nifty little zip bag thing, and an adapter as well. I don't know if that, one sec. That is entirely visible. There we go. And then also comes with a pouch. It's just a basic pouch, doesn't have any letters or anything. Just, you know, basic pouch. But that's what it comes with, so let's get on with the specs now. So let's start with the specs of this tiny little light right here. This baby light. Yeah, it's a 12-watt light. It also has 150 LEDs in this tiny little package, which is weird because it was hard to put that in this thing. But now they have it in this like smartphone looking light. It also has 360 colors in there. It's also, I keep on saying also, I should stop that. But yeah, it's also bicolor, which means it goes from 8500K to 2500K in color temperature, which is pretty good in my opinion. It's also a 97 CRI, which anything above 95 is honestly as accurate as a light could get. There's nothing really that has 100 CRI, so 97 is pretty good. The light is also fully dimmable, or I guess it goes from 0 to 100, basically is what I'm trying to say with that. It has a rotatable arm, which is metal. I showed that as well in the unboxing, but just so that you guys can see, it is a full 360. There you go. Now, with that being said, on the actual arm itself, it has a passageway for a Type-C cable. It also has these 1/4 screws that you can mount random other things on, like how I have it on this Manfrotto Pixie right now, and it's really helpful to be able to mount anything. And then lastly, there's a hot shoe mount right there, so if you want to put a mic or anything that you need, or anything that is hot shoeable, it can hot shoe it. That's not a verb. But yeah, it can hot shoe that. It also has a, I believe, 3200 milliamp battery, which charges within 2.5 hours. Now, its usage and how long you can use it depends on the brightness and the features that you're going to be using, obviously. So the battery life kind of varies on that. Now the last spec I wanted to talk about is going to be the lighting effects. It does come with 12 lighting effects. That's why I turned off my other lights right here so that you can mainly see this light and my light that's lighting me up right now. So in the first effect that is set on is going to be called lightning, and that's going to happen like right there. It just happened. So that was the first effect. That was lightning 1. And if I if I rotate this, it will go to lightning number 2. Basically both of these imitate lightning at first, and then the next one is going to be paparazzi, so another similar effect, so it looks more like a flash. These are all basic, really like simple effects. A lot of other effects you can really do just on hand, but these are just what comes in package. And then now let's switch up to the next one, which is gonna be the screen effects, or basically this one imitates a candle. So as if a candle was like right here off the camera shot, it looks like there's gonna be a candle there. But you can also lower the brightness. Right now I have it at 100, so it looks more like a real candle. If you dim it up to, I'd say I'd go up to 20 at most. You honestly don't really need a lot if you're doing a candle effect. Let's go back to all the way to the top, and the next effect is gonna be the screen effect. Oh wait, nope, I keep on doing that. There we go. And this one's breathing. It kind of goes in and out of light. And then the next one is, oh wait, no, that was screen. This is breathing, sorry. Then the next one is a fast, it's like a strobing, cycle of colors. Then a slow cycle of colors. Then a faster version. Then it goes to police, ambulance, fire truck, and that's all the effects that it has. And the last thing I want to talk about this light is going to be, who is this light for? And to find this out, let's talk about the traits. It's really portable. It has that 360 arm. It has a lot of effects. It's full RGB. So we know that about the light already. That's the simplest way on how to describe this tiny little light. And that is another thing. Its size factor is just, it's tiny. I mean, comparing it to my phone overlaps it 100%. So, it's portable. It has the colors, it has effects. Who is it for? If we're just going into the basic scene of things like filmmaking wise, then I think this is a great practical or accent light. It has that effect of looking like a monitor or a screen or a TV. It has that effect of lightning, it has the effect of police. So it allows you to do stuff like that on like filmmaking wise. But if we're talking about content creators, then I think it's honestly made for a lot of content creation, especially like TikTok or streaming, because since this light is Type-C, you can keep it in the studio whenever you want. You can charge it through your phone. If you get an adapter, you can do so much with it in that way. So I really do think it's a streamer slash TikTok slash just any content creator light, and it actually works really well on lighting your face if you're gonna use it for that. Or if you want, you could also use it for those effects. You could use it for any of the transitions, just using it, the light effects that it has, the RGB aspect that it has. It kind of goes with the trend of how lighting is these days on content creation. If you guys want to see some more videos like this, for example some more reviews, go ahead and check this playlist right up here. Also, if you want to see this little light on Amazon, check it out for yourself. Go ahead and check the description down below. It also has all my film gear that I used to make this video, all my past videos and whatnot like that. And if you do end up buying it, won't cost any extra for you guys, but it will help out the channel, so help us out like that. Also, lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe, and dream on.